Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're here to talk about leaked Jeff Bezos email, Cardano ADA will hit $100 on this date. ADA Cardano news today. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started. Is Cardano ADA considered an alternative coin? Anything other than DeFi, NFT, Bitcoin, and Ethereum is probably an alternative. Now, after a few rough trade sessions last week, the less energy-intensive blockchain is expected to rise. I own it. Boy, am I glad. Cardano is on a clear uptrend and there's no reason to think it'll stop soon, said Nigel Green, founder of De Beer Group in London. Momentum is likely to recover. I believe Cardano's price will reach an all-time high next month, reaching over $3, he says. Currently, three main factors are driving the price of Cardano. First, it's being pulled by a broader crypto market rally. Market capitalization will return to $2 trillion again. Second, this month's network upgrade puts blockchain in a strong position to take over Ethereum, the most used blockchain in terms of smart contract capabilities. And third, Cardano will continue to benefit from its reputation as a green cryptocurrency compared to something like Bitcoin, which is not considered efficient in energy consumption, says Green. Previously, all ciphers tracked Bitcoin. It may not be completely 100%, but 70% or more was common. We have witnessed the breaking of the correlation between altcoin and Bitcoin BTC, the mother of all cryptography. To some extent, there is also a split between other coins and Ethereum ETH. In other words, just because BTC and ETH are down does not mean that the entire crypto portfolio is down. We're now seeing some coins break out of that correlation, said TE Markets Ltd, CEO and founder of Ian Mvula. As of January 2021, Bitcoin's dominance far exceeded 60% of the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies. It's falling like a stone. At some point last week, it fell below 50%, not only due to the rise in Ethereum, but also due to a large number of altcoins. This gives us an idea of how much growth we've seen in alternative coin spaces lately, says Mvula. Besides jumping in Cardano, Mvula names it Axie Infinity, AXS, Binance, BNB, Polkadot, DOT, and Luna, LUNA, are heading for or already surpassing record highs. Of course, he sells his company's coin, Timcoin. He says holders can participate in staking programs for high-yielding projects such as the African Union Exchange, ACEX, and their product lines such as TE Properties, TE Microfunding, and TE Capital. In the world of cryptocurrencies, the big picture always remains about the same, regardless of exchange. The most popular trading pairs are major cryptocurrencies such as BTC, ETH, and Litecoin against Tether, USDT. These are followed by various altcoins that are exchanged for BTC, ETH, or tokens on the exchange on which the transaction is taking place. At the moment, ADA and DOT are at the top of the altcoin charts. These projects are considered alternatives to the more expensive gas-heavy Ethereum. Edmund Hillary has such news as Cardano. This coin is much better in terms of return on investment. Avalanche AVAX. No doubt AVAX is my answer to altcoin, says Hillary, co-founder and lead architect of Relay Chain. The price of AVAX tokens has risen by more than 400% since BTC began to recover as a result of the Avalanche Rush event and liquidity and demand flowed in. According to Hillary, Avalanche to Polygon bridge traffic for AVAX tokens currently accounts for more than 40% of total bridge traffic. As AVAX tokens become available in more chains, we expect to jump further, he says. AVAX has been very successful. For BTC, other gas tokens are working very well. BNB is up more than 50%. Huobi token, HT, is up almost 100%, and Polygon, MATIC, is up about 100%, says Hillary. I asked all these people looking for ideas on their own. If you are investing in altcoin to catch BTC back over $50,000, what do you buy and why do you like these projects? NFTs are equally substitutable tokens, even if they have different names. Yaroslav Gordeev, CEO of London-based Phenom Ecosystems, is a decentralized project that integrates several tech solutions and advertises on its website that it will help turn mobile phones into automated teller machines. I like Engine, ENJ. NFTs are still very popular and this trend is unabated, so it's worth a try, says Gordeev. The Phenom ecosystem includes the Phenom Network, Phenom Chain, Phenom Exchange, and Phenom Metaverse, the world of NFTs. We'll take a closer look at Engine, a project that helps integrate NFT tokens into any video game, including Minecraft. This year, we've seen some games that can be monetized using domestic currency. For example, Axie Infinity became the first NFT game on the Ethereum network with sales of over $1 billion, which may give you time. Another example of altcoin that has grown in popularity due to market limitations is the crypto exchange FTX, which is considered an alternative to Coinbase and Gemini here in the United States. It's competing with Coinbase for pricing. Coinbase is ridiculously expensive. It reminds me of an era when trading stocks on E-Trade cost like $7. FTX rose 28% in about 4 weeks. I hope it keeps rising, says Gordeev. Another project that no one has mentioned yet and has great potential, Chainlink. Link, he says. Chainlink is one of the leading market players responsible for the transfer and processing of tamper-proof data, and Polkadot aims to facilitate the cross-blockchain transfer. Multi-chain will be the next big thing, he says. In addition to DeFi and NFTs, I will buy Layer 2 solutions, Ethereum-related scaling solutions, and decentralized exchange coins almost exclusively, said Handy Barrow, co-founder of peer-to-peer StoreX, SRX. Stated. Perhaps Jeff Bezos' decentralized cloud storage network for those who hate AWX, StoreX states that it will encrypt, fragment, and distribute data across multiple hosting nodes around the world. As far as Ethereum's scale-up angle is concerned, Ballot specifically considers a few names. Many are already named. The biggest impact on the market from both proportional profit and volume is Ethereum, Polygon, Cardano, Luna, Avalanche, Polkadot, and some new ones here. Smart contracts such as Solana, Sol, Unibright. Comes from the Layer 1 and Layer 2 platforms of UBT and Cosmos Atom, he says. But the same goes for the DeFi and NFT segments, he emphasized again. Cardano to invest $100 million to fund decentralized finance projects. Emurgo, the financial aim of the major cryptocurrency project Cardano, has announced that it will invest $100 million in developing decentralized financial-based products for the ecosystem. The company has spun 2 subsidiaries for this task, one dedicated to encouraging the creation of Africa-based startups that use the Cardano blockchain to develop their products. Cardano drives ecosystem for $100 million. Emurgo, Cardano's finance arm, plans to begin developing Cardano-related products by allocating $100 million to 2 new investment instruments. The focus of the subsidiaries is different, but both contribute to the expansion of the Cardano ecosystem. The first, called Emurgo Ventures, has the task of providing seed funding to interesting companies that involve Cardano in product development. These products may include an NFT platform and decentralized finance DeFi platform to take advantage of the newly developed features activated by the Cardano blockchain. Cardano's representatives have a clear goal to first harness Africa's potential for adopting crypto-based solutions. This is because the region suffers from economic inefficiencies and a high proportion of residents do not have a bank account. To meet this demand, Emurgo has launched a second subsidiary called Emurgo Africa. The goal of this subsidiary is to support 300 startups in the region through seed funding and incubation to make Cardano one of the most used chains in the region. According to the statement, this funding will prioritize projects that use Cardano to provide socially influential solutions over other types of projects. All of these solutions focus on creating a rich decentralized finance ecosystem that leverages the new smart contracts featuring chains introduced earlier this month on the Alonzo hard fork. The goal is to build a vibrant decentralized ecosystem that competes with other solutions already known on platforms such as Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche. At the end of Sunday's series of Alonzo upgrades to the Cardano network, blockchain was able to run applications such as smart contracts and host digitally collectible tokens, e.g. non-fungible tokens, means. Ethereum, a network co-founded by Hoskinson with Vitalik Buterin and others a few years ago, is the largest network with these capabilities and is known in the industry as the Layer 1 protocol. Cardano, Solana, and Avalanche have all seen the price of their native tokens skyrocket in recent weeks as they roll out upgrades that increase their chances of taking Ethereum's lead. But Hoskinson said it wasn't about competition and control, but about blockchain working together. What will probably happen is that we'll live on the blockchain internet, Hoskinson said. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel and let us know your thoughts in the comments section.